Khunyang Chhish East. Khunyang or Khunyang Chhish East is a 7,400 meters 24,300 ft mountain in the Khunyang Chhish massif, a subrange of the Karakoram mountains of Pakistan. It is separated by a 7,160 meters 23,490 ft pass from the main summit, 2 kilometers 1.2 mi to the west, and has a 2,700 meters 8,900 ft southwest face. On July 18, 2013, Hansjörg Auer, Matthias and Simon Anthamatten made the first ascent over this wall, which had been widely regarded as one of the great remaining problems in alpinism. Climbing history. Before the first ascent, there had been 4 known legal attempts at the summit of Khunyang Chhish East. June 2003, Korean team. The first attempt to scale the peak took place in June 2003. A Korean expedition, however, gave up at 6,100 feeling it was too difficult to continue the climb in a safe manner. Since their Camp 2 had been established near Ice Cake Peak, 6 out of 10 members of the expedition, including Park Sung-man, Yen Yong-hum, Shim Yong-kyeon, Jang Ki-seob, Ko Jung-sig, and Kim Man-kun, decided to ascend the summit of this 6,415 peak on the south ridge of Khunyang Chhish before returning to base camp. July 2003, Polish team. Another attempt came in July 2003 by a Polish expedition consisting of Grzegorz Skarek, who died in 2004 returning from his climb of the 6,995 north face of Kontengry, Janusz Golub, and Stanislaw Piechuch. The first objective of the team was to acclimatize by climbing Ice Cake Peak, which they reached on August 5. Yet the team's main goal of climbing Khunyang Chhish East in alpine style was postponed until August 15 because of the weather conditions. After a period of heavy rain and snow, the 3 decided to make their summit attempt. Due to continued unfavorable weather conditions, having made 3 bivouacs and reaching the height of 6,700, the team retreated. September 2006, American team. July 2006, Canadian/Polish team. In 2006, a Canadian team, including a Polish climber Rafał Sławinski, who had emigrated to Canada. Rafał Sławinski Gosk 7, KFG W Spinini PL, retrieved 15 January 2013. Ben Firth, Iman Walsh, and Ian Wellstead made 2 attempts on the southwest face of Khunyang Chhish East. The quartet had first opted for an acclimatizing climb of the summit of the 6,450 Ice Cake, which they succeeded in reaching after 2 bivouacs. The first attempt at the summit of Khunyang Chhish East, up the southwest face of the mountain, was on July 22. After reaching over 6,550 and 2 bivouacs, the combination of altitude and stomach problems of 2 members, the climbers, turned around, leaving some of their supplies hanging from the Polish anchor left by the previous expedition. The second attempt was scheduled for July 31. In the meantime, the conditions on the south face had worsened, with much of the snow melting and turning to bare ice. Another danger was rockfall and water cascading down the face as the afternoon warmed up. With increasing danger, the Canadian climbers retreated from 5,900 on August 1, 2006. First ascent. Austrian Hansjörg Auer and Swiss Simon Anthamatten set up base camp on June 12 and acclimatized, amongst others, by climbing 6,400 Ice Cake Peak. Due to a thumb injury, Hansjörg's brother Matthias could only join later and, for a lack of acclimatization, could not participate in the first 2 attempts on the 2,700 southwest face between June 25 and 28 and on July 2. After a period of poor weather, all 3 started a final try on July 14. After spending 2 nights at Camp 3 at 6,700 the winds calmed down, and the team reached the summit over a spectacular corniced ridge at 12:30 p.m. on July 18. This ascent was nominated as one of the 5 finalists for the 2014 PL at Door.